So now let's see how we can work around with date block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and add in date block, you need to go ahead over here on the bottom on the last block and click on the plus button right here. So once you go ahead and do that, type in date, and then what you can do is choose a date block right here, and then you simply get the date block as you can see right here. You can go ahead and, let's say for example, change around the text style right here just like this. We can choose much more darker color, maybe make it gloss, add in padding to this as well, add in margin to this as well, and then change around the border color as you can see as well, just like this. Add in a border color, get the effect that you want, and work around with the radius as well. Let me just go ahead and save this, and if I were to go ahead and do that and view the post right here, then you can see that I got this particular date right here. So now with this particular date, what also can be done is you can link to the particular date post right here. And you can also display the last modified date as well if you want to. Let me just go ahead and save and then refresh this out right here. And once I do that, this is clickable. And as I click on it, then what happens is that this can be redirected onto that particular dates post as well. So this is where it actually goes. So you can see this is 12/17 and this is what date is actually redirecting it to. You can also go ahead over here and edit the date right here to, let's say for example, certain date right here, and save it out as well. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it actually changes out the date, and as you click right here, it actually redirects on to that particular dates post right here. But I don't have any posts on that date, so it'll simply show out this page itself. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the date block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.